Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change your name on Tinder. Alright, let's begin. So you open up Tinder and this is the kind of interface you will see and you're trying to change your name basically. What happens is that even if you come to your profile page and then you tap the edit button, you can have the option to edit out all your photos or other options as such. But as you can see, we currently don't have an option to basically change our name. So unfortunately, currently it is actually not possible for us to go ahead and change our name on Tinder. This is usually due to the restrictions and privacy reasons. If you want to change the name, you just have to go ahead and then delete your Tinder account first. And once you've deleted your account, you can create a new account with an updated name. Otherwise, you will not be able to change the name regardless of whatever you do. So that's basically how you can change your name on Tinder. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.